There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Good shot for a single. Bang! That's powerfully struck by the batsman for a maximum. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Ah, that's a beautiful shot. And in the gap too. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Now that looks handsome. It certainly is a huge six. Well, the batsman sees that one early, gets into a great position, got it from the meat of the bat. Oh, that's a good connection to the batsman. That's what you call a long distance deposit. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. Shouts of catches, but nobody will. That's 6 runs. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a 6. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Very well struck. Nobody's going to catch that unless in the crowd. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Muscle, a magnificent shot for 4. They need more boundaries now to make up for their slow start. Carved away through the gap for 4. That is smart batting. He looks in good batting form. Well, that's a massive 6. Made a cracking sound of the bat. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Bang! That's powerfully struck by the batsman for a maximum. Wonderful 50, and the crowd applauds. In stature as well in this innings. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Batsman losing his concentration.